gear. What did I say? You blew a fucking coupler off. What it do, y'all? It's your boy Dons, and we back with another video, man. As y'all can see, we outside with it. We outside with it today, man. It's a beautiful day. It's been a beautiful day all day, man. We finna work on some motherfucking cars. That's what we finna do. We're gonna do rear brakes, pads and rotors, and we're gonna do an oil change on a 2003 Honda Accord. So that's what we finna do. So let me turn this camera around real quick and let's get started. Alright, gang, we back with it. Ooh, okay, man. I love this goddamn camera, bro. I swear, I love this camera to death. But whoa, okay. Woo. Can I have that copyright? Yeah. So yep, we back with it, gang, man. As you see, we got the car up in the air here. Right there up on the jack, and we got a jack stand. No, we don't have a jack stand. I'm about to put a jack stand. Okay, safety first, boys and girls. We got rotors. We got rotors on both front wheels. Jack stand sitting right over there. Get that. So we got the wheels off, and rear brakes set up a little different from the front. As all car people know, you know what I'm saying. You got the parking brake cable and all that shit on the back of here. You want to take these two nuts off from the caliper. It looks like, I want to say, they're about 12. They're 12s. And then for the bracket, what the pads are right here, if you guys can see that where my finger's at, hopefully the camera picks that up. If not, then it's cool. But it's right here where my finger's at. Those look like 12s as well. Oh, actually, no, not 12s. I'm sorry. 14. Look like they're 14s, both of them. So yeah, we finna take these off. Let me get back with you. Yes, sir. All right, gang. Back with it. Jack. I'm gonna put it right there. That's where we're gonna put it at. We're gonna put it right there. All right. As I can see, we got this side off. We got the caliper off. Oh, hold up, camera. Come on, camera. So we got it off. So now what we need to do, we need to push this back. Now, it's not like a regular piston where you can just push it back with a tool. No, you gotta have a special tool to get in there, to get in the slits right there. And then you gotta turn it and push it back. Okay, sliding pins are good. We're gonna grease the sliding pins up. Alright, let's take this bracket off. That's a 14 as well. Let's take this bracket off, then we can take the rotor off. So let's get it, boys and girls. Y'all see who we got? Y'all see who that is?
Hey, I work at Toyota.
Hey, we got.
What it do, dog? It's
We got Rooney Roon on the camera. Yes, sir.
the big Roo.
Yes.
What it do?
You hear me?
I'm making an appearance on Don's vlog, but guess what? We on the phone. I can't be there,
Gang shit.
but I will be there when he put that turbo in.
Yeah. Man, you said we need to do what?
Torch it.
Torch it?
Yeah.
Torch what? Say,
screw.
what we torching? We torching now? I thought you got that one.
Nah, I got this one. That was that up there.
Alright, gang. Be right back. Actually, you know what, man? Nah, we're gonna take y'all through the struggles, because this is the real struggles. Let me set y'all up real quick here. See, ew, yes, sir. Them angles right there. Oh, gosh. Alright. Let's see, she said we need to torch it. Let's see. Okay. Wrench. I'll put the wrench over. Can't pass with the wrench. Hey, dogs, I'm trying to record, okay? Them gains. Hell yeah. You hear stir. Alright, I know y'all seen them gains. Y'all already know. Put work in the gym. Let's go. Alright, so now we got that off. Like I said, ooh, let me fix that real quick. Yep. Like I said, we're gonna take this bracket. We're gonna take this bracket off for both of them. And we're gonna start taking rows off. We gotta get these screws out right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and soak these in some thrust. Yeah, because we need that thrust. Penetrating oil. This is some good oil, some good penetrating oil right here for all rusty parts. I still really prefer WD-40, but hey, this shit works just as good too. Spray those, you know what I'm saying? Get those out the way. Spray those just a little bit. Actually, I don't, because you know why, y'all? Because this is what we got.
Oh, hold on. Let's hear what
Motherfucking tools for.
Take a gander. Hold on. Let's
So we got this for. Y'all see that? Woo! Y'all hear that, Jack? Woo! Woo! I don't think they're ready for that. I don't think the viewers in the vlog is ready for that. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Hear that turbo?
They not ready. I don't think they're ready.
Hey, wait for the tune. Hold on, wait for the tune.
Uh-oh. Oh, wait for the what?
Wait for the tune.
Oh! All right, gang, we back. Like I said, man, we got a limited amount of time. As y'all can see, it's starting to, you know, the sun is pretty much down now, but we still got enough light. The left side is pretty much all complete back together. This is what I was talking about. They have other tools too, but this is that special tool from like AutoZone, with all these different variants of like little slits and slots or whatever that you can put in here to push it back. So you got to twist it, turn it, and push it so the caliper can go all the way back. Because if you don't, then it won't go all the way on. Oops, sorry, y'all. See, like easy that went on. Now see, if I didn't push that back, then this wouldn't go on at all. But I'm finna put this side together, and then we're gonna move on to the next side. This, I'm gonna be getting a better look at this. Let's see if I can, let me see. So this stuff is a hassle. I don't even want to record me trying to do this, but hey, I like to let y'all see the real struggle out here. If niggas ain't showing you this shit, then hey, they not in the real struggle. Yeah, if niggas don't show you the struggle, then they big cap. That's on my mother. That's on mothers. You hear me? Nah, cause I want to get a good. So if we can get a better view, get like a bird's eye view. Oh yeah. See, these are easy. They're going easy. I'm really surprised. The other side was pretty easy too. But as I can see, it's turning, and I'm pushing it. I'm putting pressure on it when it turns, so it goes all the way in there. I think we're good. Yep, it's all the way in there now. So that wasn't that bad, guys. I've dealt with harder ones in the shop. Oh my god, they're a hassle, like the Sonatas and shit. Those are a hassle. Yeah. So now I'll do the bracket. Got the bracket here. I kind of half-assed it. I don't think these came with new things, but I greased these up. Y'all already know. Grease those up so the pads can slide freely and whatnot to be sliding. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just going to feel it. Feel for the hole. Ah, there we go. Play nice, baby. You're playing nice with a gun. Oh, you got it. You want to do it? Alright. Zip Zip, man. Shout out Matco. This is not a sponsored video, but Matco, they always come through in the clutch. Let's do that again. Whatever. Okay. With that, where's my wrench? My wrench. My wrench. All right. Make sure it's a little tight. I hate when this shit happens. Shit gets stuck. Ooh, it makes me so angry, bro. All right, there we go. Okay. Wrong way. That's not the right way. There we go. Okay. New pads. This is the inner one. If you guys gotta get pads and they got this like this little shim or whatever, just know this is always the inside pad. There we go. Okay. Usually outside pads will have shims too, but that's not the case with our aftermarket good old Duralast pads from AutoZone. Shout out AutoZone, man. Shout out AutoZone. Shout out to the AutoZone. If you guys remember, and you guys remember my boy Jose, who worked at AutoZone, who helped us out big time when me and Aruna went there. Shout out to Jose, man. Shout out to AutoZone. I forgot the address, but it's on New Hampshire Avenue somewhere up here. But yeah, shout out to my boy Jose. We're gonna double check with our wrench. With the wrench. Oh. Torque the wheels. Man, I feel like there's a lot of videos out there and people showing how to work on cars, but not everybody goes into like really true depth and detail. And through my videos, guys, I hope that my videos really help a lot of you out as far as me going into depth, because that's what I like to do. I like to show you guys what what it is, what you need to look for, the tools you'll need, etc., etc., shit like that. So I really hope my videos help people out there out. And if they do, man, give this video a nice blue thumbs up. We got some from the homie Joe, so shout out Joe. You probably won't see this video, but if you do, shout out to you, Joe. I just stubbed my fucking toe. It's not fun. With the jack, it's not fun at all. By the way, boys and girls, remember, star pattern, all right? So that way so the wheels can go on the hub evenly. And then, obviously, when you have 4 lug nuts, you just gotta kind of do your best to go in that star pattern. Okay? Same thing with the other side. You're gonna do that, and this job here is done. And I think it'll be about an hour. Okay.
Hey.
Whew, we don't want to go no more because we don't want to strip it, break it, snap it, because then we'd be SOL. And y'all know what that stands for. And if you don't, you're too young to be watching this shit.
Again.
Job here is done. So, like I said, y'all, man, we're done. That literally took us like an hour. Like I said, we gotta stop the brakes and take it for a test drive. But man, I ain't gonna put that in the video, man. Y'all seen so many brake job videos and me test driving, you know, after brake job and shit like that. I don't really think it's necessary. But like I said before, I hope my videos really do help everybody. My you know, me working on these cars and doing these jobs. I really hope this video, you know, my videos help everybody. Cause when I look at videos on YouTube, not everybody goes into like super detail and depth. And I'm with them though too, cause it's hard to film and work on the cars. And then when you work on a car and you're such in the zone, in the mood, you know, shit, you know, filming kind of goes past you, you know what I'm saying? So you don't really think about it. But I try to do my best to go in depth in the detail for you guys. And I hope they help everybody out there, man. So with that being said, man, y'all, that's the video, man. Thank y'all for coming back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching another repair video. Hope this helped somebody out there, somebody's uncle, grandmother, little boy, little girl, you know, whoever. Our future upcoming mechanics, man, who knows. But yeah, man, that's the video, man. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure y'all give it a blue thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, press that red subscribe button. Return back to the channel, man, because we got some more shit coming, man. Tomorrow, Saturday, that's the big day. That's the big day for the GTI, man. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, you should. Information will be in the description below, man. See y'all in the next one.